If you're looking for a new construction home in the heart of Frisco, then this might be the perfect community for you. Today, I'm coming to you from Lexington, a 950-acre master plan community built on what was part of the Brinkman Ranch. Now, it's located between Main Street and El Dorado. It's east of Preston and just west of Coit Road. Now, Lexington is just minutes away from all that Frisco has to offer, including shopping, restaurants, the Star, Stonebriar Mall, Legacy West, and the new Fields development, which is home to the PGA and Universal Kids Frisco. Lexington offers 6 different collections of homes by 3, well, technically 2, different builders. Landon Homes, John R Landon Homes, which is the builder of the higher end and estate homes by Landon, as well as Toll Brothers. With that in mind, let's go take a look at this community. Starting off is the Symmetry series. Now, the Symmetry series is built by Landon Homes, and it is the most affordable product offering within the Lexington community. The Symmetry series is built on 37-foot wide lots, and these are 2-story rear garage homes that are semi-detached. Now, by semi-detached, they do not have a common living space wall, but they do have a common garage wall with the home next door. The backyards are fully fenced, and all of the front yard landscaping and maintenance is included with all of these homes. Now, the upgrades within this collection of homes is somewhat limited, as everything has already been pre-selected by the builder. There are a few different color options and packages to choose from, and I must say, they have done a really nice job with these. I did recently tour one of these models, and I put a link to that video directly above. The Symmetry series offers 4 different floor plans that range from 1,911 square feet to 2,444 square feet. All of the floor plans feature at least 4 bedrooms, and the largest floor plan even offers a media room in addition to a game room. Now, prices for homes in the Symmetry series currently start in the mid-600s. At the center of the community here in Lexington is the soon-to-be finished 12,000 square foot amenity center. It will be complete with a 4,700 square foot fitness center. There's also a great room for gatherings and events, a covered outdoor lounge area, a resort-style swimming pool, a splash pool for the little ones, tanning ledges, and shade cabanas. Next up, we have the Duet series, also by Landon Homes. Now, like the Symmetry series that I just showed you, the Duet series is also made up of all 2-story floor plans and also has the one common wall at the garage. The homes are built on 41-foot wide lots as opposed to the 37-foot wide lots of the Symmetry series, and they do offer a higher level of finishes and upgrades throughout. The Duets offer 5 different floor plans that range from 2,146 square feet all the way up to 2,753 square feet, and come with 4 or 5 bedrooms and 3 or 4 baths. Now, some of the plans do offer a separate study in addition to a game room and a media room. Now, prices for the Duet series currently start in the mid-700s. If you're looking for a new construction home or have a home to sell anywhere in Frisco or the immediate surrounding area, I invite you to reach out. Please feel free to call or text the number on the screen, or alternatively, in the video description, you will find a link to my calendar where you can schedule a call at a time that's convenient to you. I'd love to learn more about your situation and find out what your real estate goals are for this year and help you put the plan together that helps make those goals a reality. The last of the homes that are being built by Landon Homes are the Impression 55s. And as you may have guessed, they are being built on 55-foot wide home sites. Now, these homes are available as pre-planned, meaning all of the options and color packages have already been selected for you, or they are build to suit, meaning you can have the option and the flexibility to pick everything out yourself. Now in the Impression 55s, there are a total of 7 different floor plans available, including a single story plan. Now they range in size from 2,265 square feet to 3,662 square feet. The homes have between 3 and 5 bedrooms, up to 4 baths. Some of the plans also include a formal dining room, and they also have front entry garages in all of them, including a 3-car garage option on some lots. Now prices for the Impression 55s currently start in the mid to upper 900s. Now turning our attention to the John R Landon series of homes, first up is the Estate 64s. And as you may have guessed, yes, they are built on 64-foot wide lots. Now the Estate 64s are also available as pre-planned, with all of the selections already being made for you, or to-be-built homes on the lot of your choice. Now, all of the homes in the John R Landon series are going to offer higher end finishes and more designer features throughout. Now, in the Estate 64s, there are 9 different floor plans available, all 2-story, ranging from 3,357 square feet all the way up to 4,610 square feet. They will have between 4 and 6 bedrooms, up to 6 bathrooms, and several of the plans also come with a 3-car garage. These homes are priced from $1.2 million. The most spacious and luxurious homes being offered by John R Landon here in Lexington are the Signature 74s. Built on 74-foot wide home sites within their own gated section of the community, these single-story and 2-story homes offer between 3,105 and 5,040 square feet of living space. No attention to detail has been spared. Some of the features in these homes include dual staircases, wall-to-wall windows, a prep kitchen, and much, much more. The homes offer between 4 and 5 bedrooms, up to 5 baths and 2 half baths, and all of the homes come with a 3-car garage. Prices for the Signature series currently range from approximately $1.5 million to just under $2 million. Last but certainly not least here in Lexington is Toll Brothers. Now, Toll Brothers are also built on 74-foot wide home sites, and they offer 5 different floor plans here in Lexington, including a single-story plan. Now the homes range in size from 3,000 to about 5,000 square feet of living space. The homes offer 4 to 6 bedrooms, up to 5 baths, separate offices, large covered patios, and 2 and 3-car garages, depending upon plan. Now prices for the Toll Brothers home currently start in the low $1 millions to just over $1.3 million. I'd like to thank you for spending some time with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed your tour of the Lexington community here in Frisco. Whether you want additional information on any of these homes or would like information on other new construction homes in the area, I invite you to reach out. Please feel free to call or text the number on the screen, or go ahead and schedule a call with me at a time that's convenient for you using the link that can be found in the video description. If you found value in this video today, I invite you to give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I release at least one new video each and every week that showcases the best new construction opportunities here in the area, as well as providing updates on the latest news and trends within the Frisco real estate market. Make sure you don't go anywhere, because I know you'll be interested in one of these videos coming up next.